In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a case on Etsy in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy allows you to open a case only after you've tried resolving the issue with the seller. This is required before Etsy steps in. Now, if you want to open a case on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, go to your purchases and reviews section from your profile. After that, find and select the order you're having an issue with. Then, click on Help with Order and send a message to the seller explaining the problem. Now, wait at least 48 hours for the seller to respond and try to resolve the issue. If the issue is still not resolved, go back to the same order page. After that, scroll down and click Still Need Help, then choose Open a Case. Then, select the issue type such as Item Not Received, Item Arrived Damaged, or Item Not as Described. Next, provide all the required details, including a clear description, photos if needed, and any communication with the seller. After that, submit the case for review. Keep in mind that Etsy will review the situation and may step in to issue a refund or resolution based on their policies. Also, make sure your order qualifies under Etsy's buyer protection rules before opening a case. That's it. By opening a case properly, you can get Etsy involved and resolve your issue quickly and fairly.